Hi everyone, welcome back to Essie Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy vegan burrito. This is definitely more of a Tex-Mex burrito, and you can make it with just a few ingredients. You can jazz it up, or you can just make it super basic and simple like I made it in this video. This is one of the first recipes I used to make when I first went veg because it's so filling and delicious and easy. So I'm going to start with 1 1/2 cups of rice. You can use brown rice, white rice, whatever you have in the house. Going to wash the rice and throw that right into a pot. So I'm just going to make sure I'm getting that all in there. I don't have the heat on yet. I'm just going to add my ingredients in first. And then 1 pack of taco seasoning. You can make your own taco seasoning if you want, but the whole purpose of this is to just make it super fast, simple, and easy. So I'm going to throw that whole packet of taco spice right into the mix there. And then we're going to add water. So for 1 1/2 cups of water, we're going to want to double that with 3 cups of water. My husband's helping me make this. This is actually one of the first things we made together when we first met as well. And we ate this when we were decorating the Christmas tree, and it has now become a tradition. We watch The Grinch and we make these burritos and we decorate the Christmas tree. Now we need 1 can of black beans, 1 19-ounce can of black beans. We're just going to rinse those quickly with a little bit of water. I've got my rice turned on now, so I'm going to be cooking my rice according to the package instructions. So depending on what rice you use, you just check that box or bag and just make sure that you're cooking that rice properly. Keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't boil over. And now I'm going to open up I think it's a 12-ounce can of just whole kernel corn. I'm going to add that right in with the beans there. Now my rice is cooking. I've got an eye on that, and I'm just making some super lazy guac, which was just an avocado with a bunch of lime juice and salt and pepper. Now with this recipe, you can jazz it up. You can add so many different things to it to make it a little bit more beefy, to make it a little bit more protein, more veggies, everything like that. This is just the super basic version. Now I'm going to add into my cooked rice, I'm going to go ahead and add in all of my black beans and corn. I'm going to give that a nice good stir. I turned off the heat, but I am just going to let it sit in the pot for 5 minutes just to allow the beans and the corn to heat all the way through. Now, if you have some adobo peppers in their sauce, you can add those in. That adds so much delicious flavor. I like to also saute up some sliced onions, some peppers, some mushrooms, even some spinach or zucchini, different vegetables that I have in the house. I like to kind of blacken them a little bit in a cast iron pan. That really adds to it. And I also like to make some vegan beef with TVP, some vegan beef with TVP, just to beef it up a little bit. But here's the basic version. So back to it. We're going to add some vegan sour cream here. You can add whatever you like for that. I'm just going to spread that right onto a nice large flour tortilla, and then I'm going to add my lazy guac here that I made right on there. Spread that all around. I like to spread it around so you kind of get a little bit with every bite. And now I'm going to add on that nice rice mixture. I'm going to add on some salsa. I didn't make it. I just bought it just to make it super fast and easy. I'm going to throw a little cheese on there, a little vegan cheese on there. And of course, I always have to add some hot sauce. I love Valentina on here, but you can do whatever you like. And I'm going to add some shredded lettuce on there. Like I said, you can add tomatoes, you can add lettuce, you can add grilled veggies, you can add the beef in there, whatever you like. This makes quite a few burritos, so you can actually go ahead and save the rest of the filling for leftovers, which makes for easy lunches or dinners throughout the week. Now, you can eat it like that, but I'm not going to stop there. I am going to grill it. I love to grill a burrito. So just a couple minutes on medium heat there, and you can see it's nice and golden brown. We've got the grill marks there, and that is perfectly just how I want it. And you can see that is the final result of our basic, simple Tex-Mex burrito. It's honestly so good and so simple to make. And of course, I added some more hot sauce to it because I just love hot sauce. It makes it taste so good. You can also dice up some jalapeno and put that in there with your grilled veggies, which is super delicious. And I think I mentioned it before, but grilled mushrooms add such a nice texture to this as well. So if I'm having guests over or anything like that, I definitely make the grilled veg. I definitely make a little vegan beef to add in there just to make it even more filling and better. So I hope that you all loved this video. I hope you love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.